Hi guys, a scalp massager can remove buildup and stimulate blood flow, which can help relieve itchy, tight, and oily scalps while promoting hair growth. This is mainly because these massagers are really good at removing dirt and clearing out product buildup and any impurities that are buried deep in your hair's roots. This is beneficial for overall scalp and hair health. So to help you with your decision, we have listed top 10 electric scalp massager and their key features plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 10, KTS Electric Head Massager Octopus Scalp Massage. This scalp massagers is here with the 50% price off. Now you can get it at around $36. Vibrating contacts for head massage, featured with 14 vibration nodes all around your scalp to massage your head, helping relieve your tension and pressure. Just please enjoy what you are doing while KTS Head Scalp Massager takes care of your stress and anxiety, and offers you a peace mind. Model number, HM01. Mode, promote blood circulation, for a healthier scalp. Mode, for fatigue and dizziness relief. Mode, for insomnia and deep sleep. Light therapy, our scalp scratcher also offers red light therapy, which has been widely proved effective in promoting blood circulation and oxygen carrying capacity, so as to help your head scalp and your hair stronger and healthier. With 10 red light beauty points, the light can cover perfectly over your head, and offer you a warm and peaceful physiotherapy. The next is Number 9, CkeyiN EMS Scalp Massager Cordless. This scalp massagers is here with the 50% price off. Now you can get it at around $48. Experience the rejuvenating power of the cordless electric rotation head massager by CkeyiN, an innovative device designed to stimulate your brain nerves and promote relaxation. With its cordless design and rotating massage nodes, this massager provides stress relief and improves blood circulation for ultimate relaxation. Model number, GN001W. The cordless electric rotation head massager by CkeyiN utilizes EMS technology to stimulate your brain nerves, promoting relaxation and stress relief. With its gentle yet effective massage nodes, this massager helps release tension and reduce anxiety, leaving you feeling calm and rejuvenated. The next is Number 8, Bluetooth Electric Octopus Claw Head. This scalp massagers is here with the 55% price off. Now you can get it at around $19. Experience the innovative Bluetooth Electric Octopus Claw Head Scalp Massager, a cutting-edge device designed to provide a soothing vibration massage for your head and scalp. With its unique octopus claw design and Bluetooth functionality, this massager offers fatigue relief and promotes improved sleep. Brand name, Halicare. The Bluetooth Electric Octopus Claw Head Scalp Massager provides a gentle and invigorating vibration massage that targets your head and scalp. This soothing massage helps relieve fatigue, reduce muscle tension, and promote relaxation after a long day. Enjoy the rejuvenating effects of this unique massager and indulge in a moment of tranquility. The next is Number 7, Electric Scalp Head Massager Masajeador. This scalp massagers is here with the 58% price off. Now you can get it at around $16. Discover the blissful benefits of the electric scalp head massager, a powerful and versatile device designed to provide a soothing massage experience. With its innovative features, this massager offers a range of health benefits, including stress relief, migraine therapy, and overall relaxation. Model number, 040 Head Massager. The electric scalp head massager is your ticket to a tranquil and stress-free experience. With its gentle vibrations and soothing massage techniques, it effectively helps alleviate stress and tension, promoting relaxation and peace of mind. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or need a moment of tranquility, this massager provides the ultimate relaxation experience. The next is Number 6, Electric Head Massager Multifunctional Health. This scalp massagers is here with the 57% price off. Now you can get it at around $9. Experience the rejuvenating power of the multifunctional electric head massager, a versatile device designed to provide relief and relaxation for your scalp, body, shoulders, neck, and even your furry friends. With its multiple functions and rechargeable design, this massager offers a comprehensive healthcare solution that helps relieve stress and tension. Battery capacity, 1200 mAh. The multifunctional electric head massager is your key to a blissful and stress-free experience. With its versatile design, you can use it for scalp, body, shoulder, and neck massages, allowing you to unwind and release tension in various areas. Moreover, this massager is not just limited to human use, it's also suitable for giving your pet cat or dog a soothing massage, promoting their relaxation and well-being. The next is Number 5. Electric Scalp Massage Cat Massager Body. This scalp massagers is here with the 35% price off. Now you can get it at around $7. Discover the soothing power of the Electric Scalp Massage Cat Massager, a versatile device designed to provide a deep tissue massage for your head, neck, shoulders, and body. With its kneading and vibrating functions, this massager offers a blissful experience that promotes relaxation and relieves muscle tension. Let's explore the features and benefits of the Electric Scalp Massage Cat Massager and discover how it can enhance your overall well-being. Model number, Electric Head Massager. The Electric Scalp Massage Cat Massager provides a gentle and comforting massage with its kneading and vibrating motions. These functions work together to alleviate muscle tension, promote blood circulation, and stimulate relaxation. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or relieve stress and fatigue, this massager offers a blissful experience that targets multiple areas of your body. The next is Number 4. Electric Scalp Massager Red Blue Physiotherapy. This scalp massagers is here with the 30% price off. Now you can get it at around $17. For three-dimensional massage, deep kneading massage, combined with red and blue heat, can be used for head and body massage, has the effect of stimulating hair growth and deep cleansing hair. 2 sets of massage heads, detachable and washable soft massage head and hard massage head, with 4 modes, perfectly fit the scalp and meet the needs of different people. Model number, YHB98. For multiple uses, unisex, pets available, wet and dry, can effectively promote blood circulation, relax the body, relieve body pain, relieve stress, relieve fatigue, and improve sleep. 5. One-key operation, simple operation, even the elderly can use it easily. Short press the button to open and change the mode. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to turn it off. The next is Number 3. Electric Scalp Massager with 4 Massage. This scalp massagers is here with the 5% price off. Now you can get it at around $31. Experience the ultimate relaxation and stress relief with the portable electric scalp massager. With its 4 massage heads and soothing kneading motions, this device provides a rejuvenating head scratching and tissue kneading experience. Let's explore the features and benefits of the portable electric scalp massager and discover how it can help you unwind and relax your muscles. Model number, YHB235. The portable electric scalp massager is designed to provide a blissful head scratching experience, soothing your scalp and relieving stress and tension. Its 4 massage heads work in harmony to stimulate your scalp and promote blood circulation, helping to alleviate headaches and promote a sense of calm and relaxation. Enjoy the gentle and invigorating massage that this portable massager provides. The next is Number 2. JinKaiRui Electric Scalp Massager Head. This scalp massagers is here with the 43% price off. Now you can get it at around $62. Experience the ultimate head spa therapy with the JinKaiRui Electric Scalp Massager. This portable and waterproof device offers a range of benefits, including muscle relaxation, improved blood circulation, and enhanced hair growth. Let's explore the features and advantages of the JinKaiRui Electric Scalp Massager and discover how it can transform your scalp care routine. Brand name, JinKaiRui. The JinKaiRui Electric Scalp Massager provides an invigorating experience for your scalp, stimulating blood circulation and promoting healthy hair growth. With its gentle massage nodes, this device helps to relax your scalp muscles, reduce tension, and encourage the flow of nutrients to your hair follicles. Regular use of this massager can contribute to stronger, thicker, and healthier-looking hair. The next is Number 1. VARON Electric Scalp Massager Body. This scalp massagers is here with the 35% price off. Now you can get it at around $20. Experience the blissful benefits of the VARON Electric Scalp Massager, a versatile device designed to enhance your overall well-being. With its soothing kneading and vibrating functions, this massager offers a rejuvenating experience for your scalp, body, shoulders, neck, and more. Brand name, VARON. The VARON Electric Scalp Massager is your ticket to a revitalizing scalp massage. By gently stimulating your scalp, this device promotes blood circulation and helps alleviate tension and stress. Additionally, this versatile massager can be used on various parts of your body, such as the shoulders, neck, and other areas that need relaxation. Let the soothing kneading and vibrating motions of the VARON Electric Scalp Massager melt away your stress and promote a sense of tranquility. So this is the best option for you.